What is a line drive in baseball statistics? Imagine watching a batter connect with the ball and send it flying in a straight, low path that zips past the infielders. That's what a line drive looks like in real life. In baseball statistics, a line drive is a batted ball that travels on a fairly straight, moderate trajectory right after contact. It doesn't rise high like a fly ball or drop quickly like a ground ball. Instead, it stays low and direct, making it a favorite for hitters trying to get a hit. The launch angle, which is the angle at which the ball leaves the bat, usually falls between about 10 and 25 degrees for a line drive. Most line drives hover around 16 to 17 degrees. This angle puts them right between ground balls, which have lower launch angles, and fly balls, which have higher ones. The exact cutoff can vary a little depending on who's measuring, but generally, if the ball's trajectory is in that middle range, it's called a line drive. Another key part of defining a line drive is how hard the ball is hit, called exit velocity. The harder the ball is struck with a launch angle in that range, the more likely it is to be classified as a line drive. So, a powerful, well-hit ball with the right angle is a prime example of a line drive. This combination of launch angle and exit velocity makes line drives more consistent in producing hits compared to other types of contact. In terms of statistics, line drives are super important because they tend to have the highest batting averages among all batted ball types. That's because defenders find it harder to react and catch a ball traveling on a straight, quick path. Most hitters have a line drive percentage, or LD percent, around 19 to 22%. When a player hits more than this, it often points to strong contact skills and good plate discipline. Line drives are also different from ground outs and fly outs. Ground outs happen when the ball stays low and is fielded on the ground, while fly outs are high in the air and caught by outfielders. Line drives are less likely to turn into outs because they're harder for defenders to reach quickly. Power hitters might pull a lot of fly balls for extra slugging, but line drives tend to give hitters more consistent hits overall. Coaches and analysts look at a player's line drive percentage to see how well they're making solid contact. A high rate suggests the hitter is good at hitting the ball hard and straight, which usually means a higher batting average. On the other hand, a low line drive percentage might mean the hitter relies more on fly balls or ground balls, which can affect their overall offensive numbers. In short, a line drive in baseball statistics is a ball hit on a straight, moderate path that results in more hits than ground balls or fly balls. It's a key measure of how well a hitter makes contact and can help predict their batting success. By understanding line drives, fans and analysts get a clearer picture of a player's hitting ability and overall offensive impact.